Look at this, the keyboard. It is very organized, as you can see. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell to keep you updated. In today's video, I'm gonna be featuring this product that I got from Amazon. First, the product that I got here are this one. This is Luling Arts boom arm for the microphone. And this one is the Boseen microphone Shockmount. And also this one is the UBeesize tripod for a phone and camera. And some mic thread adapter for this to be compatible with these two. So today, the first thing that I'm gonna show you is of course this one. So now I'm gonna show you the boom arm. So what's inside the box? Oh, this is the receipt from Amazon, and this is the installation guide on how to install this boom arm. And this is the clamp for the table. You see, yeah, it's a clamp for the table. And this is the boom arm itself. Wow, it's heavy. It's more than 1 kilogram. It's 1.6 kilogram. Yeah, look at this. It's a heavy duty boom arm. So it is compatible with most of the heavy microphone. And the other things that they included is this. It has 5 strap ties that so that you can organize the cable of your microphone. And there is also included the adapter if you wanted to also to use this boom arm on your webcam. You can also use it using this adapter. And that's all inside. And what I love about this boom arm, it is it has cover that you won't see all the screw and like that, the spring inside in the boom arm. That's why I chose this one. But this is quite heavy because it's more than 1 kilo. And what I love about this one, this is flexible and very sturdy and adjustable and versatile, and it almost supports most of the microphone, heavy duty microphone. And the maximum load of this boom arm is until 2 kilogram, so you don't have to worry. It can hold like 3 microphones when you use it, and it's ideal for live streaming, for podcasting, for recording, and etc. And this is really easy to use, to install like that. And what I also love about this, they included this strap, so the wire, the cable of your microphone will be organized. And the other thing, the good thing about this, it is foldable. You see, you can fold it and put it back to the backs, so that to pre up your desk, so that when you are not using it, you can keep it inside the box. That's the other thing. And I can say that it's really durable. And the material of this is made up of steel. That's why it's very heavy. Look. Later, at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you the setup. So I'm gonna start showing you the other stuff that I got. And the second stuff that I got is this Boseen microphone shock mount. And what's inside the box? It has included 4 bottom screw for your microphone, and this metal shock mount. It is made up of metal, and also they included this two extra elastic bands, so that when it's already worn out, you can change it here. You can change it, and it's easily to assemble it. And inside, as you can see, inside there's also adapter, but it's already inside. I don't know why, but on Amazon it says that it is separated. That's it. What I got in from Boseen, and this is a really good quality one. I also read a lot of review about this, and I'm just collecting some stuff that I can use on a live stream, but I am not doing live streaming. The other thing that I got are these mic thread adapters, so that if ever that it doesn't fit, I can use something like this. These adapters, thread adapters, are made up of aluminum alloy, and it has different sizes. It has different diameter, from 5 by 8 and 1 by 4 and 3 by 8, and female and male. So I only got this for $10.99, and this shock mount for $27.99, and this boom arm for $42.99. And the last thing is this one, the tripod, UBeesize tripod, because the tripod that I am using right now is already broken. So I'm afraid that my phone will fall every time I do the vlog. So here it is. What I love about this one is it has included the bag, so it is very organized. And look at this. There is this tripod is made up of aluminum alloy, and look at that. It has 2 section, leg section like that you can extend. It is extendable. And also this, yeah, look at that. Yeah, it's really nice, and it's almost the same with my old tripod, but this only the legs is circular, it's round. My old tripod is flat, and this is the guide for how to use it, and they included also the mount. Yeah, it has a good quality mount. Yeah, you can either use it like that or like this. Yeah. So now I'm gonna start using this on my next vlog. So yeah, and also you can adjust it here. Yeah, I only got this tripod for $19.99. Can you believe that? It's very cheap, and it has good quality. Yeah, it's really cute. And you can extend it like that. I don't know if I can stand it also on the other side, on the top. Yeah, I don't know if it is extendable here. Yeah, yeah. You can extend it here also. So it's not bad. You just have to tighten the screw to make sure that it won't move, to be stable. And yeah, it's great. It's great that I got all this for my vlogging. And I hope you like it as well. And then later on I'm gonna install the microphone and how it will look like, all of this in the on the desk and on my small desk. So see you later. And this is the final look after I install it. Look at this, the cable. It is very organized, as you can see. It's looks very presentable, and actually I really love it. I am so happy that I've tried this product. I also hope that you like this. And if you are interested to buy this product, I will write everything on the description box so that you can easily find it on Amazon. So I guess that's it. Now I am excited to do live stream. Maybe I should do live stream tomorrow. Yeah, and I guess that's all. I will see you again on my next video. And of course, before I end this video, I wanna thank every one of you who are very supportive to my channel. To all my, especially to all my members, thank you so much. I will write all your channels on the description box as well. And also to all my viewers and subscribers, thank you so much. And if you have any suggestion that the vlogs that you want to see on my channel, you are free to comment it on this video or any video of me. That you can suggest anything, as long as it is not about dancing, because I don't dance. And I guess I will see you again on my next vlog. I love you all and kisses.